The Holocaust is one of the most recent tragedies that have happened to Am Yisrael, but much of the lessons, unfortunately, people forget about. One story that I heard from my Rav today will put things in perspective. It is the Admor Yitzchak Menachem Mendel Detzinger. He was from Chassidut Alexander, and he wrote several books. Most famous was a book named Akedat Yitzchak. Now, the Admor Yitzchak Detzinger, Hashem Yikom Damav, he unfortunately got burned and killed by the evil Nazis in 1943 in the gas chambers, Yimach Shemam V'Zichram. But one of his Hasidim tells a story of the last moments, because he was there. And he says, when they were on a train going to Treblinka, the miniature Gehenom on earth, everyone knew, you go there, you arrive, you die. It's not your vacation spot. But one of his Hasidim says, Kvod Harav, I don't know when we're going to get there, whether it's 2 minutes or 2 hours or 2 days. But while we're here, give me a Dvar Torah. Look at the tzaddikim that lived in that generation. Today you have to beg people to come to Shiur Torah. Back then, they're on the way to dying. Say, give me a Dvar Torah. Give me something. So the Admor says to him, off the top of his head, he says, give me a commentary on the Tehillim Pasuk in chapter 92, verse number 3. La'agid baboker chasdecha ve'emunatecha balelot. Very famous, well-known Tehillim that we read in prayer, where David HaMelech says to relate your kindness in the morning and your faith in the nights. So the Admor says, what does it mean, this pasuk? To say that David HaMelech is saying, I relate your kindness in the morning is good. But then he says that Hashem relates his emunah, his faith in us at night. It should say, we have emunah in him in the morning. We publicize it, we learn about it, we do whatever we need to do. And then also at night, we have emunah in Hashem. But it doesn't say that. It says that we have emunah in him in the morning. We get all of the kindness of Hashem. We publicize about all the kindness that Hashem gives us in the morning, in the day. And at night, HaKadosh Baruch Hu has emunah in us. What does this mean? Now you can say what I've said in previous shurim, that yes, HaKadosh Baruch Hu goes to the neshama who doesn't want to come to your body because it's already in a better place, and it says, Hashem, I don't want to go back, but Hashem forces that neshama to come back. But the Admor says, no, this is not the same. Why? Here it's talking about nights, meaning this is plural, many nights, an extended period of time. HaKadosh Baruch Hu says that he has faith in you during these many nights. The Admor says the Chidush on the way to the gas chambers. And the Chassid that survived it told the story. The one that heard it survived it miraculously. Survived it and told the story. He says, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, every single good that you have, he custom makes for you. Every good that you have, your wife, your husband, your kids, your money, your food, your diet, your eyes, your vision, your hearing, everything you have that's any good, HaKadosh Baruch Hu customizes for you. You remember him for all the good things. You remember, oh, HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave me all the good. Ishtabach Shimo La'ad. I have Parnassah this month. I was able to pay rent. If my kids are overweight already, there's so much food in the house. Everybody, oh, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, thank you. You have to be a donkey not to remember HaKadosh Baruch Hu for all the good. But then it says, David HaMelech says, but HaKadosh Baruch Hu, He has faith in you at night. What does it mean He has faith in you at night? One day, night will arrive. Darkness will arrive. The darkness of a test, a difficult one you never thought you had to experience in your life. One you never thought even your enemy should experience in your life. That test that's going to be longer than you thought is even imaginable. A test that you never thought you should endure, or anyone should endure, or it even exists. HaKadosh Baruch Hu also customized that test for you, because He has emunah that you will overcome that night. You will overcome those nights, and you'll come back to thank Him for His kindness. This, Rabotai Yekarim, is being told to a Chassid on the way to the gas chambers. If that's not Bitachon, what is? You see,